Hi, this is Mr. Richmond, and for this video we're going to look at how to make an appropriate line graph using Google Sheets. So I have a data set in here that has a person jogging for 50 minutes in 10-minute intervals. We are recording their heart rate, which is going to be the dependent variable, what we're measuring. And again, it's hypothetical, so I made this data up, but we're saying that that person had a heart rate of 140 to 180 during that 50-minute jog. So before putting in my data set, I need to identify the fact that my time is the independent variable and needs to be in the first column of my Excel file of my data table. And the heart rate, the responding variable, the variable that I'm measuring in this experiment, is going to be in the second or remaining columns. So once I have my data put in, I'm going to highlight, go to the Insert tab, click on Chart. Because we have two numerical sets of data, two quantitative sets of data, I want to make sure that I'm using a line graph for this chart. And from there I can go ahead and click on Customize at the top and add my chart titles, which in this case needs to include both your independent and dependent variable. So you could say something like how jogging affects heart rate of a person. That's fine. And for my horizontal axis, which is my x-axis, it's going to be the time. That's my independent variable. And minutes, make sure that you are including your units of measurement. And the vertical axis, which is going to be the dependent variable, or the y-axis that is, you're going to put the heart rate, which our unit of measurement is beats per minute, or BPM. One last thing that you could do, it might not be necessary depending on who your teacher is or what the assignment is calling for, but it looks a little bit messy with this large gap of the scale looks a little bit off. So if you want to fix that, you can go ahead and click on the vertical axis, and then you can change actually the minimum and maximum values. So if you don't see data till 140, you might want to change your minimum value to 100, hit input, and even that looks a little messy, so we could even start at maybe 140. And that might look a little bit better. I hope you found this helpful, and good luck.